Well, Kayla, as holiday shoppers flock to the mall looking for their treasures, looking for their toys, clothes, anything that they want to give their loved ones, can they expect colder temperatures or are things going to warm up at all?
Well, we are going to get a slight warm up heading towards tomorrow. Definitely an improvement from the below freezing temperatures we have had for the past 2 days. But then we are going to go right back below freezing as a winter storm is on the way. Now you can see some flurries flying in Morgantown right now outside Moses Toyota. We just saw it. There are some flurries actually still out in Fairmont at Dan Cavas Toyota World as well. That kind of happens sometimes, even though high pressure is in control right now and your temperatures are this cold. You sometimes do get that frozen precipitation falling. I think it makes the temperatures worth it to be able to see some flakes flying. It feels like a little bit of a treat for temperatures that are this cold. Most of us are in the 20s with some of our higher elevations in the teens. A little bit of moisture right now, but overall, most of us are seeing mostly cloudy conditions and we are relatively dry. None of the flurries that we're seeing are going to be accumulating by any means because this high pressure system is in control, but we are going to see this sliding to the east as we head towards tomorrow. That's going to get our temperatures a little bit warmer, still below average, but still not exactly where we expect to be for the beginning of December. And then we've got these two low pressure systems here, one centered in Canada, one centered in the north central United States, that are going to be working together, coming in, clipping West Virginia, bringing us some more robust precipitation, mostly as snow. There is going to be some rain because we do get that slight warm up first. There's also going to be some really strong wind gusts with this system as well. So this is a first alert weather event from tomorrow night through Thursday afternoon. The accumulations are going to be light in the lowlands, a little bit higher in the higher elevations. Not as high as the system we had 2 weeks ago. This is still going to be significant, especially when you factor in the wind gusts that are coming with this system, getting as high as 50 miles per hour in the higher elevations. That's going to cause snow squalls and also some really cold wind chills. Our winter storm watch from the National Weather Service goes into effect Wednesday at 7 p.m. through Thursday at 3 p.m. Now this is going to be upgraded to a winter storm warning the closer we get. This is for the higher elevations and into the foothills of the mountains. Looking at the futurecast, we are going to see a little bit of cloud clearing for tonight. You may see some sunshine early tomorrow morning, but the clouds are going to thicken up heading towards the afternoon. Precipitation isn't going to start until past sunset, and a lot of the heavy hitting snow is likely going to come the overnight period. And again, we do see a little bit of rain for some of our lowlands at first before transitioning into snow showers. So we are going to see some heavy snow heading towards Thursday morning. Even though you might not be seeing snow falling for your Thursday morning commute, you're still going to be wanting to drive extra carefully because those roads are going to be very slick. That snow is going to continue in the higher elevations throughout much of the day on Thursday, likely even into Friday morning in some spots, but it is going to be lightening up as it does so. By the time we reach Friday afternoon, that system will be moving out and hopefully we'll be able to see a little bit more of the sun than we've been able to. Expected snowfall amounts generally under an inch further to the west of I-79. As you get further towards the east of I-79, you may see about 1 to 3 inches. Getting higher up in elevation, you could see about 3 to 6 inches of snow with some localized spots potentially seeing more than 6 inches. Additionally, we expect those wind gusts to be getting very strong, increasing as we head throughout Wednesday night. And by the time we reach Thursday, we're going to be seeing gusts at about 25 to 35 miles per hour in the lowlands and gusting even higher in those higher elevations. We had originally yesterday talked about the potential of a wind advisory with this system, but that does kind of get roped into the winter storm watch and eventually winter storm warning because of both the accumulations and the strong winds. So that all kind of gets roped into one. Looking at your 7-day forecast, very cold temperatures for Thursday and Friday. Still cold for Saturday, but we do warm up for the latter half of the weekend and into next week.